Good morning. Hi, I am Sagar Vasundhara Tanpure, MSc NetGate, Assistant Professor Sadhguru Gadge Maharaj College, Kara. Today, I teach you BSc Second, paper number 5, Organic Chemistry. Unit first, amines and diazonium salt. So, introduce first what is amine. The amine are nitrogenous compound containing basic functional group of nitrogen atom with lone pair. Amines are the derivative of ammonia wherein one or more atoms have been replaced by alkyl or aryl substituent group. Inorganic derivative of ammonia group chloroamine are also called as amines. Amines are both biological and industrial important compound. Okay, so goes to the next point, classification. Classification of amine. The number and nature of substrate connected to nitrogen on this basis are amines are classified. The nature of substrate are alkyl or aryl. So the substrate is alkyl substituted derivative are called as the aliphatic amines. Okay. The nature of substrate may be aryl substituted, so derivative are called aromatic amines. And both alkyl or aryl group are joined to the amines, so it is called as a alkyl aryl amine. See the example. R group joined to the NH2. What is the R group? So this is called taken R group is alkyl, so it is called as a alkyl amines. Or AR means aryl group joined to the amine, so it is called as a aryl amine. Okay, this is the ammonia structure. Nitrogen attached to 3 hydrogen bond, okay, and 1 lone pair. This is structure of ammonia. 3 types of amines. See that this is ammonia, and the part of amines are the derivatives of ammonia. See this one R group. See this is a red color hydrogen. Here R1 is a hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group is called as primary amine. See that here R1 and R2. That is here 2 hydrogen atom here replaced. So what is the definition? Replacing 2 hydrogen atom by alkyl group or aryl group is called as a secondary amines. Then goes to the tertiary. Okay, here see that R1, R2 and R3. That is 3 R group here replaced. Okay, so what is the definition? Okay, 3 hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl or aryl group is called as tertiary amines. So here is the primary amine, here is secondary amine, here is tertiary amine. Okay, all the structure contain or nitrogen group contain lone pair of electron. See, one by one primary amine. What is the definition? I recall once again, in replacing one of the 3 hydrogen atoms in ammonia by alkyl or aryl group is called as primary amines. Okay. Then this is the example. Methyl amine is an example of primary amine. See that CH3 attached to the NH2 group. That is hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group. So this is what is the name of this structure? Methyl amines. Then another aniline. Here one hydrogen atom replaced by aryl group. Okay, that is here hydrogen atom is replaced by benzene ring. So it is a common name is aniline. Goes to the secondary amine. What is the secondary amine? Replacing 2 hydrogen atom in ammonia by alkyl or aryl group is called as secondary amine. See the structure. Here one hydrogen and here one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. So it is called as a secondary amine. So the name of this is the dimethyl amine. What is the name? Dimethyl amine. Then this one. Here alkyl group is taken, here aryl group taken. So two hydrogen atom replaced by two aryl ring. So it is called as a secondary alkyl amine. What is the name? The diphenyl amine. The goes to the tertiary amine. What is the definition? The replacing three hydrogen atom in ammonia by alkyl or aryl group are called tertiary amine. That is, three hydrogen is replaced by totally three alkyl or aryl group. See the example. Okay, here 1, 2 or 3. Three hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. So it is called as a tertiary amine, and this structure is called trimethyl amine. Okay, this next part is a cyclic amine. Okay, this is the first one. 3. This is a cyclic structure, so called is a cyclic amines. Okay, means this ring contain nitrogen. Cyclic ring contain nitrogen. 3-member cyclic ring is contain nitrogen group. So name is aziridine. Then second, 5-member aromatic ring contain nitrogen. So it is called as a pyrrole. Okay, this is the aromatic ring. So his structure is a pyrrole. And next structure, aliphatic cyclic ring containing nitrogen group allyl. Okay, so this ring is called a pyrrolidine. What is the difference? This is a aromatic, this is a non-aromatic. But this ring, 5-member ring contain nitrogen, so called as a pyrrolidine. Next goes to the pyrrole. This similar to the benzene ring. Here carbon atom is replaced by nitrogen group with lone pair, so called as a pyridine. Okay, see this is a 3-member cyclic ring contain nitrogen, aziridine, 5 aromatic 5-member ring contain nitrogen, pyrrole, aliphatic 5-member ring contain nitrogen, pyrrolidine, and this is a 6-member aromatic ring contain nitrogen called as a pyridine. All are the cyclic amines. Okay, how to name the molecule? See, the first here part is study the nomenclature. Okay, so in rule of the nomenclature, in IUPAC nomenclature system, ending letter E of alkane is replaces amines. Okay, so alkane, here En, this atom En is replaced by amine. So what is the name? Their name is alkanamine. Okay, what is the name? Alkanamine. Okay, see the structure. Okay, how to nomenclature the primary amine, study the primary amine, after that secondary amine, and then tertiary amine. See the one by one. So here take primary amines. This structure, nitrogen, here nitrogen, hydrogen, and here one hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl group. Okay, so name is methyl amine. Okay, nomenclature also called two type. One is IUPAC nomenclature and another one is a common name system. So here name of this molecule methyl amine. So these three methyl group here. So methyl amine or methenamine. Okay, see that this alkanamine that is called here methane. Last word is E is replaced by amine. So name is methenamine. See the another example. Here you taken which group? CH2 CH3, that is ethyl group. Here methyl group you taken, here ethyl group. Okay, then what is the name? Ethyl amine. So here ethyl group is name here first and then amine, ethyl amine, and another name ethenamine. Another name is ethenamine. Okay, then then here structure. See that here CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is the name? This name is isopentyl amine. Isopentyl amine, and another name is 2-pentamine. Okay, because here numbering here 1 2 substance located near position, so numbering start that side. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So here second group methyl, so name is 5 1 2 3 4 5 carbon are present, so pentane taken, so name is 2-pentamine. So next part nomenclature is substituent on nitrogen atom. The prefix taken N. So nitrogen atom is binded with alkyl group. So to take prefix N. See the example. In that secondary amine. So 2CH3 group joined to the nitrogen. So name is a diethylamine. This is a symmetric structure. Nitrogen here one side is ethyl group, another side is ethyl group, and one hydrogen is joined to the nitrogen. So name is diethylamine. And another name is N-ethyl ethanamine. So here rule obey. Substituent on nitrogen atom, the prefix taken N. Okay, so here N joined to the nitrogen, so name N-ethyl ethanamine. See that here is symmetry, this is asymmetry. Why are asymmetry? Because one side is CH3 CH2 CH3, that is ethyl group, and another side is a methyl group. So this structure is asymmetric. What is the name? Ethyl methyl amine. Okay, then N substitute name, how to write? N methyl ethanamine. Okay, N methyl ethanamine. Here why are taken ethyl group first? Because obey the alphabetical rule. So alphabetical ethyl name is first, so taken here ethyl, after methyl and amine here name. Okay, then goes to the tertiary. Okay, so tertiary amine. See that here CH3 CH2 group here taken 3 times. Okay, here these group are joined to the 3 times to nitrogen. So name is triethyl amine. Okay, see that here nitrogen is by joined to the CH3 group, CH2 CH3, and here also CH2 CH2 CH3. What is the name? Ethyl methyl propyl amine. Okay, three different group are joined, or three alkyl group are joined to the nitrogen, so it is called as a tertiary amine. Okay, goes to the next part. This goes to the next part, that is aromatic amine. Okay, see that aromatic ring in joined to the nitrogen atom, so it is called as a aromatic amine. What is the example of this one? Is a aniline. Okay, aryl amine. This is under the aryl amine. Second, one hydrogen atom is replaced by CH3 group and here aryl group. Okay, that is secondary amine. This one a primary amine. So name is N joined to the methyl. Okay, so name is a N-methyl aniline. This one here benzene ring joined to the one side NH2 group and one side CH3 group. So name is para-toluidine. Okay, name is para-toluidine. All these examples are under the aromatic amines. The next part is the structure. What is the structure of amine? What is the hybridization? Study under this point. Okay, so nitrogen is bonding the 3 hydrogen atom contain one lone pair in ammonia. So hybridization of this nitrogen central metal atom is sp3 hybrid. Okay, and the angle in that 100 degree. See the structure. This nitrogen, okay, hydrogen, or here taken is a trimethyl amine is an example. Okay, but in ammonia, here hydrogen. In that, the bond angle is 109 degree. Okay, the hybrid this hybrid orbital of ammonia nitrogen is sp3 hybrid orbital. Okay, so here carbon nitrogen carbon carbon nitrogen carbon in ammonia is bond angle 109, but in trimethylamine is 106 degree. Okay, see that this one is a sp3 hybrid orbital. See, here is the nitrogen, here CH3 group, CH3 group, and here CH3 group. These are the 3D structure of trimethylamine. Okay, see the one by one. N and H and bond angle is 10.7 degree. Okay, the energy barrier of nitrogen inversion of stereo center is about 7 calorie per mole. Okay, means that the inversion of the nitrogen. Okay, so it's required the energy to cross the energy barrier is required the 7 calorie per mole energy. That is example of the trialkyl amine. That is a trialkyl. So you take a trimethyl group. So trimethyl amine required to invert the nitrogen, and so it required the energy to cross the energy barrier required 7 calorie per mole energy. The amines of the type NHRR, that is the different R group. So here taken R dash, and here nitrogen attached three different nitrogen. One is R, R dash, and R double dash can be chiral. Okay. Firstly, what is the chiral? What chiral means? Central metal atom is joined the four different group, so it is called as a chiral. Okay, so here nitrogen is attached three different group with one lone pair. So this nitrogen atom is this system of the nitrogen atom is chiral, and also this one. Amines of the type N, R, R dash, R double dash cannot show the optical purity because low barrier to the inversion. Means that this structure cannot optically pure because it cannot cross the energy barrier of 7 kilocalorie per mole. So this is the low barrier energy. And last, the aromatic amine, that is example is aniline. Nitrogen is planar to the planar due to the conjugation of lone pair with aryl substrate. That is nitrogen atom is conjugate to the benzene ring. This nitrogen lone pair conjugation goes to the benzene ring. So these two are planar. Okay, thank you. Next lecture, you see the preparation method of this. Okay, thank you.